We're going to compare the personal loans from Avant and Upstart. We've spent years working in the lending industry and we track dozens of lenders. We want to break down these two lenders so that you can see which ones might be better for your particular situation. The first thing that we're going to look at is the loan amounts that they offer. Avant's minimum loan amount is $2,000 and Upstart will issue loans as low as $1,000. So if you're just looking for a little bit of money to handle an emergency, Upstart offers a little bit more flexibility on the low side. If you are looking for a more substantial amount of money, Avant will lend as much as $35,000, while Upstart will lend up to $50,000. So Upstart has more flexibility on the high end as well. For both of these lenders, it's important to remember that the amount that they offer you will depend on your particular financial situation. Loans from Avant have terms between 1 and 5 years. Upstart's terms range from 3 to 5 years. I'm a little concerned about 3 years being the lowest term length. You should be cautious about taking a loan under $3,000 with a term that long. That would mean paying interest a lot longer than you really should. Avant's minimum APR is 9.95% and Upstart's minimum is 7.8%. 7.8% is a great rate, but probably only about 10% of their applicants could expect to see a rate that low. Still, it is lower than Avant, so we will highlight that as a particular point for Upstart. Both of them have maximum APRs that cap out at 35.99%. Avant charges an origination fee of up to 9.99%, while Upstart's origination fee ranges from no fee at all the way up to 12%. 0 is a great number, but 12% is about as high as I've seen any origination fees go. So I will probably say that Avant wins this category, but it really will depend on what they offer you. The origination fee is a percentage of the borrowed amount that comes out of the proceeds of the loan. So if you borrow $10,000 and have a 5% origination fee, you will receive $9,500, but you will still need to repay the $10,000. Remember that the origination fee is accounted for in the APR. The APR is the origination fee plus the interest rate. All things being equal, you want a lower origination fee if you plan on paying your loan off early. Paying off early will save you on the interest that you would have paid, but you don't get a reimbursement of the origination fee. Both Avant and Upstart target borrowers who have fair credit scores. Based on my research, I'm guessing that these are their rough FICO ranges for their customers. Of course, the lower you go down in those ranges, the less likely you are to be approved, because these are just guidelines. Lenders don't usually use credit score to determine eligibility. They usually use other information, some of which is found in your credit file. Payment history, utilization, debt-to-income ratios, stuff like that. Neither one of these lenders will accept a cosigner on the loan. A cosigner can help improve your chance of being approved or scoring a lower rate, but neither one of them will accept them. Avant charges a $25 late fee, which is a rather hefty fee. It's not the highest in the industry, but it's certainly higher than most. Upgrade charges $15 or 5% of the late amount, whichever is higher. I'm going to give this category to Upstart because at least you have the chance at a lower late fee. Both companies will charge other fees as well. Avant charges a $15 dishonored payment fee if they attempt to take a payment and the check bounces or there's not enough money in the account when they attempt to make an ACH draw. Upgrade charges a similar fee, but they call it an ACH return. Upgrade will also charge you if you want paper copies of loan agreements, bills, stuff like that. Avant gets credit for having one fewer fee. So let's summarize what we've learned about these two companies. You can see that Upstart wins more of the categories than Avant does. But for many people, the most important two things are whether they can get the money that they need and whether they can get it at the lowest possible price. If Avant would give you the money you need at a lower cost, there's no reason that you shouldn't go with them. That's why we always recommend that you shop around. Each lender will have a different algorithm for deciding who to lend to. You may not qualify for one, yet still qualify for an even better option. You just never know. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders, and behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of the approved offers so that you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you have any questions about either one of these lenders that we didn't cover, leave a comment below and we'll try to answer it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.